Good afternoon, Professor. Myself, Sai Karthik. I'm here to demonstrate the Lab 4. So here we are creating a real-time trip payment analysis using Azure Logic App. So here the requirement is to create a Logic app where it monitors the real-time trip events. For example, here we have a modern transport system. So it's actually kind of a ride-sharing platform. So here we are actually monitoring a large amount of trip data in real time. Okay, so here we are monitoring the number of passengers, trip distance, and the payment method, and the vendor ID. So the implementation processes, first we are first we are just sending some random trip events from Event Hub. And then with the help of Azure function, we are analyzing the trips, where we are able to know was it a group ride or what kind of cash payment was it? Was it like through online or was it a cash payment? Or is there any suspicious ride activities? So all these kind of scenarios can be analyzed using Azure function. And then this Azure function route these analysis through a logic app. And then finally, what happens is using the logic app, we are posting an adaptive code to the Microsoft Teams using a group chat, which I will show in live within a few minutes. So let's quickly go to the code base. So as I said before, so we have to create a event hub in Azure. So, and this is my connection string, and this is my event hub name. So here I'm generating some random trip events where I'm giving my name and the trip distance is like 5 kilometers and passenger count is 2 and 1. So once this event is generated, so let's quickly try to run this. So now the sample trip event is sent. So now what happens is this then goes to the function app here. So then this trip will be getting analyzed in this specific condition. And and also we should have got a card right now. I'll show you. So yeah, so this is a card. So this is actually there's no issues. It's actually a normal trip. So I'll show you the what happens in the behind the scene. So this is the Logic app, and this is the Logic app designer, which we created for this action. So here we are getting the random trip events where the events are triggered, and then it goes to the HTTP trigger where it gets the analyzed data from the Azure function. So here we have the URI of the Azure function, and we analyze the content that from that specific function, and we parse them into this specific JSON format where we get the number, integer, and string array, and we actually transform those datas into this specific JSON format. And if this condition, and we also add a condition here, if the body is interesting is equal to true, like when it is some interesting events, right events, so we have to post a card into your Microsoft Teams group. So here I have connected my Microsoft account and I have added my group here, and this is the card which you get in your Teams group. You can customize it as your own, like however you want. And yeah, so this is pretty much about the live demonstration of the real-time trip event analysis. You can also edit your sample trip events where you can edit your sample. So here I have just given a legitimate event where you can also try to give some suspicious events, and you can see the difference in the teams. So this is pretty much about the real-time trip event analysis lab. Thank you so much.